Hi, this week I'm going to talk about what we expect to see in the market for the next 6 months. Where do I think it's going to go, what is going to happen, and how to make the most of it, okay? So the first thing is, right now is definitely a more balanced market. And that's crazy to hear because for the last 3 years, it was very much a seller's market. The sellers were in the driver's seat, they controlled the entire situation, and that's really the way it was going to go. All of a sudden, more properties are hitting the market slowly but surely. Properties are spending more time on the market. And this is something we haven't seen in 3 years. So a lot of buyers are confused, a lot of sellers are confused, and even some brokers are confused, to be quite honest. Now, what to expect? We're going to start seeing an average days on market probably closer between 45 to 90 days. That was a very normal days on market prior. For the last couple of years, we've been sitting around 10 to 15 days, but that was abnormal. That is not a reality. We're going to shift back into what is more of a normal market for the next little bit, while people are a little bit scared because of the sudden interest rate hikes. In my opinion, it's finally time to take opportunities and seize the opportunities that are being presented as a buyer. We can finally go see a property, think about it, get a couple of evaluations or specialists come in to verify if we have second questions, and still really negotiate a strong price. Because there's a better chance now than ever that you're not going to be competing against anybody else, at least not on the day you make your offer. We are still seeing some multiple offer situations, and we are still seeing some buyers make an offer after one being accepted because, hey, they decided they fell in love with the property, but it's no longer 3, 4, 5, 15, 20 offers on a single property in the same weekend. You now can actually take your time to visit a property. If you happen to go away for the weekend, you might not necessarily miss out on that property. So I think that it's going to be a shift for everyone. I think that we're going to have to get used to actually taking our time, and as listing agents really focus on selling the property and really doing a better job promoting it and doing everything we can to get in front of as many people as possible. But this shift, in my opinion, is welcomed. And I'm really excited to see where it's going to take us over the next couple months. See you next week.